Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at home. I, Mrs. Smita, teacher from St. Paul's High School. Today, I will be teaching you value education. There are different types of values like honesty, truthfulness, cleanliness, helping others, loving, sharing, etc. Children, today we are going to learn the value courteousness. Each of us has an important role to play in the progress of our country. We can do this by being a good citizen. You should help the needy and treat them with equality, respect, and love. You should always take part in community welfare programs so that you help the community. You should respect your fellow citizens and country. You must be caring and respectful towards people living not only next doors but also around your place. You should protect national monuments to safeguard the rich culture heritage of the country. You should study well and contribute towards society. You need to obey and respect laws as they are meant to help us stay safe as citizens. You must help and protect the environment and support eco friendly causes in our community. In this way, you can be a good citizen. Courteous means we must be polite and be respectful. You must give respect to the elder persons, your parents, grandparents, neighbors, uncle, aunt, and teachers, etc. Respecting others is one of the most important qualities for being a good human being. By respecting others, we earn respect and love in return. How can we be respectful towards others? We must value people. Do not insult people or make fun of them. Speak to them openly if you find something different about their behavior. We must be kind. Accept people as they are. Judging someone on their behavior may hurt them. Be kind to them and understand their feelings. We must communicate. Listen to others when they speak. Talk to them. They might feel good to speak to you and share their feelings. We must respect others' opinions. Everyone has their own likes and dislikes. Valuing their opinion will make them feel confident and happy to express themselves. We must appreciate. Show respect by appreciating someone's good work and efforts. This will make them confident and happy about their work. When we talk to people, we should show respect and leave a good impression. That is sign of being a good person. That is why we also use courteous expressions. Courteous means having or showing good manners and being polite. There are many expressions that we can use to show that we are courteous. Being polite to elders, brothers and sisters, friends, and even strangers is one of the most important quality for being a good human being. How can you be polite? Smile. Always smile when you greet someone. Show respect when you talk to someone and be pleasant in your behavior. Please, when you are asking for help from someone, always say please. Excuse me. When you stop someone and want to ask something, say excuse me. Sorry. Accepting your mistake. If you hurt someone and saying sorry makes you a very good human being. Thank you. Be grateful to people who help you. Respect their help and kindness by saying thank you. Children, you must say thank you when you get something from someone, like your friends, teachers, parents, or relatives. It's a golden word that makes others happy. Sorry. You must say sorry when you are wrong or you beat someone. It's a golden word that gets you respect. Please. You must say please when you want something. For example, when you are having your food, Mummy, please pass me some rice. Excuse me. When you stop someone and want to ask something, for example, when teacher is teaching the lesson and if you want to ask something to teacher, you must say excuse me. Children, don't forget to say thank you, sorry, please, and excuse me. These are the four golden words that always help you. These golden or magic words will work wonders for you. Children, how you have to be courteous? Just listen and look at the story. One day, Raj and Riya were playing while Grandma was reading a newspaper. Raj mistakenly broke one of Riya's toys. Riya felt bad, so she asked Raj to say sorry, but he didn't. As he started to leave, Grandma stopped him and told him that you should always respect people, places, and things. Raj asked how I can respect them. Grandma said, you can respect people and things by saying sorry and thanking people or by asking for their permission before borrowing their things and toys. If you visit somebody's house, never enter with your shoes on or eat and drink while sitting on the sofa. That's how you can respect places. Raj said sorry to Riya. Now he knows how to respect people, places, and things. Children, do you like the story? In this story, Grandma teaches Raj that you should respect people, places, and things. You can respect people by saying sorry, thank you, please, and excuse me. And you must follow some good manners like you must remove your shoes outside the door before entering somebody's house. We must help others. Helping others makes you a good human being. By helping others, you can spread happiness and cheer. How can you help others? Help elders at home to keep the house clean. Help elders to pick heavy bags or things from the market to home. Share someone's job. This would make their tasks easy. Help your friends with studies, projects, and school activities. Donate food, old toys, books, or clothes to the needy. Help someone learn a new game, read new book, learn music, and more. While at public places Offer the elderly people your seat. In this way, you can help others. Sharing and caring. To be a good person and loved by everyone, one needs to practice the habit of caring and sharing. We love our belongings and are very close to the things we own. But at times, sharing things with others brings joy and happiness. Sharing also helps us to respect what we have and care about our things much more than just storing them. Sharing books. Books are said to be one's best friends as they give us knowledge. Sharing books with your friends or others will help them to learn new things, read, write, and experience knowledge around the world. Sharing toys. Toys are everyone's favorite. Sharing toys help us to make friends and bring joy. It also helps us spread cheer and know how lucky we are to have toys of our choice. Sharing knowledge. Though books give us knowledge, we get to know about various things from our parents, teachers, and elders. Sharing the knowledge we receive may help people around us too. Sharing old clothes. Clothes are a basic need for living. Sharing clothes with the needful or lending them to kids in shelter homes makes for a kind deed. We should donate old clothes to the needy. Sharing meals. Sharing meals makes you a kind person. Offering food to the poor and needful is supposed to be the most generous act. It makes not only a good citizen but also a very good human being. There is no greater joy than the joy of sharing. Children, you learn how to respect others, be a good citizen, four magical words to be polite, helping, sharing, and caring in this video. We will learn more about courteousness in the next video part 2. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.